Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Asset Insider, where you come for all your latest and greatest news in the cryptocurrency space. We're going to be starting off with Bitcoin, which, as we can see, has been trading sideways since our run up in the past couple days. We're staying above the 3,900 level, which is good, but we really need to make it to the 4,200, 4,250 area in order to show some bullish sentiment in the market. We need to make higher highs than what we've seen in the past, because if we don't make a higher high than previously, that is bearish in the case of Bitcoin. So only the next couple days can tell what will happen. We might trade sideways for a little while and then continue running up, or we could fall back down to the mid 3,500 area, or possibly lower if we can't make those higher highs and show some bullish price action in the market. We are holding above the 50-day and the 100-day as of right now, which is great to see. If we could keep trading sideways and let that 200-day moving average come down and find support on that, that would be very good in the case of Bitcoin. Okay, moving on to our first article. The SEC and the CFTC are combining efforts to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrency markets. We both know that the SEC and the CFTC have been shooting down ETF applications, and they say the market is too unregulated as of right now. Now, the Nasdaq is opening up their cryptocurrency index, which will show a little bit more regulation in the market, because personally I believe, as of right now, with all the sideways trading we've been doing, volatility isn't too bad compared to traditional markets. So I can understand if we have another giant price drop, that would show some volatility that shows that maybe the market isn't ready for ETF. But as of right now, I personally do not think we need a ETF to make the market go up. We've had many run-ups in the past without an ETF, and I do not think it's necessary for another bull run to happen. But if we did get an ETF, it would definitely help the market, in my opinion. But it is not something that I think is going to happen soon, and it is not something that I will be particularly waiting for. But we'll see if the CFTC and the SEC together can come up with some regulation that they find suitable for this market. Moving on, Elon Musk said that Bitcoin is brilliant technology and that he thinks it will overtake fiat currency. We all know that fiat currency is dying, and in my personal opinion, in the next 5 to 15 years, conservatively, I think we will not be dealing in fiat anymore. If anything, I feel like fiat will become the currency of criminals, because on a blockchain, everything is visible unless you are using a private coin such as Monero or the new Mimblewimble coins. So we're not going to spend too much time on this. He is bullish on Bitcoin, but he does not like the fact that it takes so much electricity to mine, and we all know that Elon Musk is somewhat of an environmentalist, which is why he is. But I think he can find a way to use all his solar panels and Tesla power batteries to mine cryptocurrency. And also, I think that he may become bullish on proof of stake coins and consensus coins such as XRP and EOS and Tron. If and also ADA once they finally release their update for their perfected proof of stake platform. Moving on, Binance has officially launched their cryptocurrency decentralized exchange, the Binance-Dex, which I have been looking forward to because I've dealt with many decentralized exchanges in the past and they are not that great. I think that Binance will have a product that's much more friendly to use for the average person. I personally found the other decentralized exchanges still relatively easy to use, but I do not like the platforms. I've used exchanges such as IDEX before, and I find it to be kind of slow and laggy, and I just did not like that, and they're full with a bunch of coins that aren't that great, to put it lightly. So, you are now able to create a wallet and start exchanging your tokens on Binance-Dex testnet. And also, the Ledger Nano S is the first hardware wallet to be supported by Binance-Dex. You can download the app to your Ledger wallet and get that started. Due to that, the BNB coin has been skyrocketing in price over the past 24 hours, or really the past couple weeks, to over $11, which is incredible for BNB. They will be switching BNB from a ERC20 token onto its own blockchain in order to run the Binance-Dex, and the BNB blockchain will be 10 to 20 times faster than Ethereum and Bitcoin. They are saying that they can settle a block in 1 second, and I am very happy to see that. I think Binance is a great exchange. They've been doing a great job so far, and with this new DEX, I think they're making all the right moves as far as being the top crypto exchange goes. Moving on, crypto markets, as I said earlier, are trading sideways after the recent gains, and traditional markets are having a green day. So, the S&P 500 is up, and the Nasdaq is seeing modest growth, and the Dow Jones is up 37 points at open of today. Moving on, Samsung Galaxy S10 has released that they will have a cryptocurrency wallet built into the phone. They are calling it the Samsung Knox function. So far, I believe the only coins they've listed on the wallet will be Bitcoin and possibly Ethereum. But I think they will have more coins. They should at least carry the top 10 coins. Maybe they will roll them out over time in updates to the phone's firmware. There are other blockchain phones coming out later in the year. Siren Labs is still working on their phone. And also Pundi X has started the new X function project for their decentralized blockchain phone, which will be released later on in 2019. And our last story of today, the Bank of China has joined with the Hong Kong Applied Science and Technology Research Institute to launch a blockchain platform for home buyers that work with the Bank of China. All mortgage settlements and paperwork will be done on blockchain with digital authorization. And this is just showing how blockchain is being adopted by many Eastern countries in a high rate. And soon blockchain will be all around us, in my opinion. It is a better way to store data, and it is more secure. Ending out the day, I wanted to go over EOS, which has been doing great in price action. I'm going to use Binance for this. EOS has been one of the coins that ran up the most and held their price over the last couple of days of positive market momentum. And we can see that they have been above the 50-day and 100-day for the past couple of days now. And they're coming up to the 200-day. It looks like they've been knocked down twice, although we haven't had a close yet on today's candle. So if we can close above that 200-day, EOS is definitely in for some positive price action. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found the information on this video helpful. I will be answering any comments in the comments section. Please let me know what coins you would like to cover with more detailed technical analysis. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'll see you in the next one.